Okay, YouTubers, I bought this off eBay. It's a power supply for doing the 18 650s, and it's only a 10 amp model. I would have rather had like a 30 amp model, but no one's selling them online. Well, not that I've noticed, but if anyone sees one that's 30 amps, can they please give me a tingle? It's all mostly English. It came very quickly. It took less than a couple of days after I ordered it to get it. I'll pull it out and have a quick look. So the model's called a QW-MS3010D. I'd see the 10 is the 10 amp part of it. So not a bad little design. Not sure on the output range for the voltage, but I'd say it'd be the 30 might be, it goes up to 30 volts. I'm sort of thinking. Yeah, 30 volts. So yeah, you can go up to 100. So yeah, just a simple power supply to do a couple of jobs. It's only got one side, so it's only got one power supply output, but the cost of it's just under 70 Australian dollars. So, and it came with an Australian plug as well. It'll come with any plug that you want, and that's so cheap. You know, 70 bucks for a good power supply. I've got some power supplies in the shed for amateur radio, but not for other stuff. I don't know what the actual output's like on this. I'll check it with a Crow, but sometimes you get a lot of distortion on the output instead of on the DC, because it uses a switch mode power supply instead of a decent power supply. But this might have a good power supply, I'm not sure. Haven't tried it yet. And the information about the AC on the DC lines that I was talking about was mainly due for when I used to be a calibration technician. I used to do a lot of power supply cal. So yeah, anyway, that's it from me. If you like this video and would like to subscribe, please subscribe, and it's good to have you watching. Okay, catch you soon. Bye.